Robot Chicken, an adult animated show made by Seth Green and Max Sedner, curated all the way back in 2005. But as you can read from the title, this is not what we're going to talk about. No, not Robot Chicken's history. No. We're going to be looking at the Robot Chicken action figure. First off, as you can tell, it is very detailed from top to bottom, as you can see while I'm showing. It can bend, as you see right here, and you can also rotate. Rotate. Yeah. You know what also is cool about this figure? This, if you turn it, hold on, I'll show you it. There's a battery composite and a speaker. Now, why will there be a speaker there? Well, I'll show you. Oh, my bad, chicken. Okay, so press this and boom. What? How? I didn't really get the other figures, so I was just interested in the chicken, but there was one figure. Yeah, it's the nerd. The thing is cool is because it's from the Comic-Con exclusive. But if you know how much Comic-Con's exclusives are, 80. I mean, at least it's not like the other ones that go for 100 and above. But 80 for a Robot Chicken figure? Although the nerd is the most favorite character and most loved, I wouldn't be paying $80 for this figure. Now, I understand there is some deals, but this is the only one on eBay, by the way. But 80? But I paid at least 40 or 50 for this Robot Chicken figure. It is still high, but it still looks to price. And I know he's an all-time favorite and an exclusive, but 80 though, it isn't that bad. If you want to get it, it's your choice. I mean, if you want to get it, it's fine. It's just me with that price. No. But that's on your choice. But overall, it's a good figure, in my opinion.